Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2015 Foton Tunland S for Super. It's a dual cab, it's got the 2.8 turbo diesel Cummins engine, four-wheel drive. Had a tap in front, as you can see, a few dings and dents here and there. Got a set of wheels, we've got a canopy, got a good tailgate, tow bar. On this side, a couple of doors, some minor marks here and there. We'll go and find some compliance plates for you. Pop the bonnet and start it up. It's got a good bonnet, left headlight. Remember how to get this up. There we go. There's our engine in there. This compliance plate, and I'll go and start it up for you. Foton Tunland. 70,000 kilometres I think it is from memory. I'll start it up for you. Get the key to turn. What's going on there? Try a different key. There we go. Got the wipers on. 76521. Away we go. Got the leather trim, the airbags haven't gone off. A bit worn on this seat here. No, not leather, I think it's vinyl. Got the running boards. Also, I'll just pop the canopy so you can have a look in the back there. It's tidy in the back. So there it is, one Tunland being dismantled at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. So if you need some parts for your Tunland or any other vehicle, give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus team will help you out. Okay, we'll shut this down now. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now.